all things Scottish. This is downtown Inverness, and tour guide up and left us. That right over there is the River Ness. I'm hoping to see the Loch Ness monster swim up here any minute. Let's go walk over there. I guess our guide has abandoned us. We're just gonna go. I put a timer on the River Ness, and it looks kind of shallow for the monster, so we probably won't see him today. And it's overcast and rainy, which this is what I expected Scotland to look like. Oh yeah. Very interesting architecture. Pretty good view of the river. I don't know, it's a pretty little town if you ask me. Nice castle, privately owned, I believe. So you can see the river bottom. There's no way some beastie could swim up here. Way too shallow for a proper sized monster. I'm not going near a McDonald's. Buy a kilt for a couple $100. And there's Inverness side street, another church, and a McDonald's. No way. This is the center of the city here. More modern architecture around the way here. Very pedestrian friendly town center. Lots of tourist shops here. Huh. Nice little footpath next to the Ness River. And we've got a footbridge. We've got a couple of them. Definitely like the way European towns are laid out. Is that the beastie? No, it's a twig up there in the river. This thing is rocking. That's not good.
Strong, still buying and selling sheep, cows, machinery, chickens, furniture. The market is normally on a Friday